Good morning, everybody. This is Gus. It is November 13th, 2021, and I am out on a hike today. I decided to go somewhere different. I am out at the Salt Lake Wildlife Management Area, just off Dairy Road in Titusville. And as you can see from my pack, I'm wearing daytime fluorescent orange because even though hiking access is available today at the WMA, it is the first day of the general gun hunt, and so it would be prudent, I think, to wear some orange today. I plan on hiking up to the lake. There's a lookout there. I don't know exactly how many miles it is, but I'm going to be using my phone to track that. So this is the first time I've ever used a GoPro, so I'm kind of seeing how it works, seeing if it has some potential for future hikes. So stay tuned. Well, I don't know how much longer I have for a battery on this thing. The indicator says nothing, so this may quit any minute. But I'm walking, taking a self video with this. Let's see how it turns out, see if it's too wide, too narrow, too unstable. Let's see if you can hear my voice, etc. So anyway, I'm going to quit for now, and I will see you back at the vehicle when this is all wrapped up. The total trip will only be about 1.5 miles. So anyway, thanks for joining me today.